Unleash the hypnotic dance of driving rhythms and soaring melodies as we craft your first melodic progressive techno track. First, let's establish our foundation. We'll begin by selecting a powerful kick drum, the heartbeat of our track. Layer it with a subtle sub-bass to create a sense of immense depth, ensuring it's perfectly sidecane to the kick to carve out space and create that signature pumping feel. Next, we introduce the rhythmic drive, a crisp clap or snare on the 2 and 4, and a consistent closed hi-hat pattern filling the 16th notes will create that essential propulsive energy. We'll also add an open hi-hat on the offbeat of each bar to give it a bit more bounce. Now for the melodic soul, we'll sculpt a warm, evolving pad using a synthesizer. Focus on long attack and release times to create a smooth, atmospheric texture. We'll then program a simple, arpeggiated melody that subtly shifts and grows over time, designed to intertwine with the pad. Arrangement is key to building tension and release. We'll start with a stripped-back intro, gradually introducing elements. A build-up section will increase intensity before dropping into our main groove, featuring the kick, bass, hats, and our core melodic elements. We'll then introduce a breakdown, stripping back the rhythm to focus on the evolving pads and a new, more emotive synth line. Mixing brings it all together. We'll meticulously EQ each element to ensure clarity and prevent muddiness. Sidecane compression will be crucial, not just for the kick and bass, but subtly applied to pads and synths to enhance that rhythmic pulse. We'll layer effects like reverb and delay to add space and depth to our melodic elements, creating a truly immersive sonic experience. By blending these techniques, you'll be well on your way to creating your own captivating melodic progressive techno journeys, where power meets emotion on the dance floor.